Alright, I'm gonna open another box of Absolute Memorabilia basketball. Alright, first pack, got David Lee, Patrick Mills, and we got Tools of the Trade, DJ Augustine. Nice patches, auto. This one's 4 out of 5. And then got Trevor Ariza. Alright, got Mari Stoudemire out of 100, Juwan Howard, BJ Mullins out of 499, and Brendan Haywood. Got OJ Mayo, Jason Kidd, Stargazing, Drew Holiday. Got the out of 499. And Al Harrington. Alright, last pack. Jefferson, Magic Johnson, and a 499. Stargazing Brooke Lopez out of 25, and a Carl Landry. Alright, thanks for watching.